Okay, I'm going to show you how to mark missing work and stuff in the gradebook. Okay, so I'm going to go into my course. I'm going to go into the gradebook and I'm going to click this right away to toggle full screen. Totally just my preference. Okay, now you can see this pencil icon. In case you don't know what this means I override a score. So for example, if I decided to change this to a 20, it would override what I wrote. If I click the pencil, it clears the override and it goes back to what it was before. Okay. Now, if this were already due and I wanted to mark these students as having this assignment missing, okay, I would click the three dots and click Mark Empty Cells Missing. As soon as I do that, they show up for all of them. There is no quick undo that. So I would have to, if I did that by mistake, go back and click on the hexagon, click on missing, it gets rid of it. Okay, so I showed this class on purpose as it's separated out into only 5. So again, that's how you would do a whole column at once. Now, if you have 35 students and do it by mistake, that's a little time consuming to go back and click the hexagon for each one. You can also mark empty cells excused or incomplete. I don't do them this way, and the reason is it does not communicate well with Infinite Campus, and it makes a little bit more work on my end, okay? Once a student does complete an assignment and you actually want to grade it, you can see there's a submission here. So I can click here and go directly to the submission. What I can do also anytime is unmark that and it's no longer missing. Okay, so again, that is one way to mark missing. And the reason I do mark them missing is it does accurately reflect their grade. It puts it in as a 0. So if your school has a different policy for missing, it's not going to work for you. I like it because when students go to their grades, it shows them the missing icon and they can easily access it. So if I just pause for a second and open up a student. All right, this is me as a student in my practice course. You can see incomplete shows up like this with a dash. And again, this for me personally does not communicate well with Infinite Campus. But here is how students would easily locate missing work. Okay, now